This video from Sharp Help, we're taking a look at how you can prevent or limit the opportunity for overrings to be put through sales departments on the XEA107, 106 and 102 registers. So as standard on the machine, the sales buttons are totally open, so there's nothing stopping someone accidentally ringing through crazy amounts of money, which obviously then gives you a problem in terms of having to void or refund or have reports that are totally incorrect. So what you can do, I'll avoid that one, is you can set buttons so that they come up with an error message when you try and ring through. So there I've tried to put 99.99 through button 3 and it's come up with an error message because I've protected that button from overrings. So the way you do it is you program a digit entry limit on the button itself. So each button you have to program separately. All I'm going to do is stop button 1 accepting more than £9.99 through it. Currently it's totally open. The way I'm going to protect it is over here. I've got the manual. You may not be able to see it very well, but it's on page 10. When you program a department, you basically type in a long code, which is a lot of zeros and then some ones, and the very last entry is represented by the letter G, is on the code chart, is the entry limit for the digits. So to stop, if you want a button to not have more than £9.99 rung through it, you would change the entry digit limit from 7, which is the default, to 3. So I'll show you how to do that. What would be helpful if you jotted down the code you're going to type in. This will make sense when I come through to do the programming. So if you're looking at page 10, I've got 0 is A, because I want it to be a positive sales department. 0 is not a single item cash sale. The ones you've got to be careful of are the C, D, E and F, because that's your tax setting. You don't want to get that wrong or mess that up. So whatever department, this button here, tax 4, no. Tax 3, no. Tax 2, no. Tax 1, yes. So this, if my button wants to be VATable or tax 1 rate applied to it, so you have to choose that one to be 1 and these 3 to be zeros. The key thing in this video is that I'm going to limit the button to 3 digits. Obviously you can put 4 in or 5, have a play around with it and see what works best for you. So okay, so to do the program, to change the program, once you've cashed off any sale or cancelled any sale you've got open, key round to ZPGM, and then you literally start typing in that code that I've got from page 10 of the manual. So it's 0000013. Then I press the XTM button. Then I press the department which I'm programming. So I'm programming department 1, and then I press #ST to save the program. So what's printed out there is actually quite useful. So it's button 1, you can now see that's what I've just programmed. The 3 is my digit limit and all the others are 7. Button 3 I'd actually programmed to have a digit limit of 2, which is probably a bit over the top. That means I can't put more than 99p through it. But I hope that makes sense. All the others are set to 7 as 0, so they're totally open. So I've reset number 1 to be 3. So then now if I turn the key back to reg and try and ring £10 through department 1, it isn't going to work, but the button's still usable. If I try and ring £9.99 through, it works fine. So it's just a case of getting the limit correct. Do you want to set it to 3 or 4? Obviously have a play around with it. You've seen how easy it is to change. And yeah, you can download the manual from sharpeld.co.uk and look on page 10. That's where I've got all those zeros and ones for my code. So I hope that all makes sense. There's other videos, some of which will be appearing now, which you're welcome to watch. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.